Aluminium composite paneling has allowed building facade engineers greater freedom in the design of building exteriors. The bonding and sealing of these architectural panels can now be achieved easily and reliably with Tesa ACXplus highly viscoelastic acrylic foam double-sided tape. The special properties of Tesa ACXplus make it ideal for the mounting of aluminium composite panels to metal substructures. ACXplus is designed to withstand weathering, wind loading and the panel's dead weight. However, it is important to follow the correct procedure when applying Tesa ACXplus to the frame and when mounting the panel. To achieve the most effective performance of Tesa acrylic core tapes, the recommended ambient and application temperature is from 15 degrees to 35 degrees, avoiding sharp temperature changes over the day. Full bond strength will take longer at lower temperatures. Both the panel and subframe surfaces should be free of dust, grease, oil, moisture, and other contaminants, as these will decrease the level of adhesion to those substrates. Clean the surface of the frame with Tesa Industry Cleaner 60040 by spraying and wiping over with a lint-free cloth. Next, lightly abrade the frame surface with a scourer pad. The abrading will increase the roughness of the frame surface and therefore the surface area for bonding. Clean the surface down again with a lint-free cloth, making sure you have turned over the cloth or use a new cloth. The motion should be in one direction to prevent recontamination of the area. What we're trying to achieve is a scoured, clean, dry surface to ensure maximum bonding of the ACXplus to the frame. Apply the tape to the subframe by commencing from one end and unwinding 30 to 40 centimeters of tape at a time. Keep uniform tension as the tape is unwound. Try to avoid touching the adhesive and the clean surface. Press down firmly with your thumb along the bonding area. Use the Tesa squeegee to run along the tape and add further pressure to the adhesive to ensure good adhesive contact. Repeat this process with the aluminium composite panels. Clean down a strip along the edge of the panel or where the panel will contact the subframe, remembering to wipe in one direction so the contaminants are completely removed from the bonding area. Abrade the same surface area you cleaned. This abrading and cleaning becomes more important on shiny, smooth or painted aluminium panels where the abrading will increase the roughness of the panel and therefore the surface area for bonding. Clean the surface down again with a lint-free cloth, remembering to turn the cloth or use a new cloth. Again, cleaning in the one motion. Remove the blue protective liner from the strips of ACXplus tape. Line up the aluminium composite panel with the subframe section. Push the panel against the ACXplus tape and apply firm pressure, which is essential for good adhesion performance on all bonding areas. Use hand pressure or a roller to roll along the panel to further help adhesion. This will ensure that the tape makes good contact with all the surfaces and an effective bond can develop. The bond build rate will increase over time as the high-performance acrylic system flows into the bonding surface. At room temperature of 21 degrees Celsius, 50% of the total bonding power will be achieved after 20 minutes. 75% of the bonding power will be reached after approximately 1 hour and 90% after 24 hours. Full bond strength will be reached after 72 hours. We advise to consult your Tesa technical specialist for the correct width and volume of tape required for each particular aluminium composite panel installation project. The amount of tape required will vary from project to project. Tesa ACXplus tapes should be stored at temperatures between 15 degrees and 35 degrees Celsius, avoiding humidity. All slit edges should be covered with suitable separators made of siliconized film. If several rolls are stacked, use 2 sheets per roll. Ensure that no dust, dirt or any contamination during transportation and storage will cause any damage or deformation of the packaging. The shelf life of Tesa ACXplus is 24 months from delivery date if the covered storage and transportation guidelines are followed. For all inquiries about Tessa ACXplus or other Tessa tapes, please contact Tessa free on 1800 22 6851, or for sales inquiries, email sales.australia@tessa.com or visit our website at tessa.com.